finally getting my voice back. I haven't been able to speak at all this whole week. Voice is slowly coming back. I'm still gonna continue to rest it, but I'm gonna go over my levels. I did blow the account yesterday. It didn't make sense to continue because I started. Well, it didn't make sense to continue after having this horrible day right here. Right, I was trying to see um, if I should have just continued trying to trade it or just let the account reset because it resets in 2 more days. You know, and I was um, I wasn't a bit away, but I was enough to really not want to. It wasn't enough for me to want to continue pushing myself for it. Um, because I think here, I was basically at down what 200 right here, right, and then here is where I really messed it up, and I was just like, well, if I can't bring it back up, well, screw it. And then if I was just patient, I would have been able to bring it up. That's the thing, right? So I was slowly, I was slowly grinding up, right? Boom, right. So it's kind of like a little wave. The wave was getting bigger, and then it dropped. Right. Yesterday I was just basically just saying, fuck it, let's just try some weird shit. Um, because if I wasn't able to at least get it up to at least to 1,000, you know, um, there was no point because it's about to reset. So and then my max stop risk kept moving up. Was already up by 500. So just like I don't want to just like slowly keep grinding. I can slowly keep grinding all next week, all next month. Once it resets in 2 days, on the 28th, it'll reset. So but I'm gonna continue working on my style. So I did change the style again a bit. Um, right. So my trading log will have the actual chart that I'm trading on, the range chart that I'm working on, and then just seeing what the volumes are. And then I have the 10, the 15, and the 20 right here, right? And then all my levels are going to come from support and resistance and aggressive buying, aggressive selling candles that haven't been retested yet. Aggressive support and resistance levels that have been broken but have clear buying or selling at those levels. And then I also have just this level here. This would be up on my chart so that way I can see what's going on ES. I may change this to orange when I'm done. Actually, I should change these to orange so that way if I do change that chart over there, I can at least I can flip between NQ, ES, and VIX. So I'm also gonna have the I'm gonna have the our market watch up. I had one up before. Let's just delete it. Crap. Yeah, I deleted it. I didn't detach it. I'm trying to know which one it was. It's close enough. Detach. It's a lot going on though. My last market watch was much more simpler. Side chart. Okay. Um, Customize. I want the symbol. This can go. The net change can stay. Right, just how much? I wanted the percentage wise. Change percent. That's what I want. Alright, and then I want this is a combination of ES and Q, and I haven't look at these in a while. I forgot how I did these. This can go. I think that's basically it. Right? Boom. Alright, that's good. And then this would be linked to red. That. Alright, and then I can, yeah. Alright, so that's fine. Okay. So I have that up. That's what this red. Let's max this up. I want to look at this. I haven't seen this thing in a while. Put it in the 1 hour. God, 6 daily. Sheesh. Whew, I have done a lot of things. Okay, look at that. I should just be all of them to see how they all work, and just to see, give an idea. If anything, you know, it'd be like, see, the price was yesterday. So we had this here. $30-minute strong sell. Alright, so I'll have to come and look at this, see what the heck's going on in this thing here. Right, and a range chart. But said I haven't had these up in a while, so but these are the only ones I'll be flipping through. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so and then I can save this as my range chart. I'm fine with it. I can edit it as I go. Alright, so that's basically what my chart's gonna look like now. Alright, so on the day we had some sell, some buy, and sell. Somehow we had buy in here. Right now price sold off a little bit. Full hour it crashed out. What a nice little thing going on here. I missed that opportunity. Happened after I kind of like walked away. It was really upsetting. It's still a possible setup trade. Alright, so we don't have anything here, so I'm just gonna start deleting all of this. All of this can go. We came down to this level here and bounce. This can go. This low can go. Alright, let's bring that out. Okay, let's go to 15-minute. Alright, so I don't really have anything. Alright, maybe there's something here I can look for. So let's do this. This is gonna be a 15-minute line. Minute ABS, right? It's just a resistance one. Alright, so we'll go looking for that. All right, let's go to 5 minute. May see something. All right, this one here, price really has been doing a number on. So not even gonna pay attention to that. This is a strong drop. 1 minute. All right, I like this drop here. I want to look at this candle. And I want to look at this candle here. Zoom out. And we're also going to mark this one here as a 1 minute ABS resistance line. Support line that's been broken. All right. So we're gonna look into those two things right here. Okay, so those are 1 minutes. Okay. This area might be our interest. Definitely interested in that one. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. So now we're gonna go to the tick chart. Alright, so we have the actually, why didn't I just use these? Yeah. So this is the I guess because I zoomed all the way in with them. Okay. So we got the 20. Nothing, nothing, nothing. 15. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Alright, and then we're going to do the 10. Nothing, nothing, and nothing. Well, maybe this candle right here. Alright, so that should be it. Tick. Alright. 15-minute level, 10 tick. Bye. That's all I got. Okay, delete, 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 delete. Alright, so now let's go to the actual, back to the charts. We're gonna do NQ. Today we're breaking out of this range here. 4 hour. Delete, 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 delete. Done, done. We'll come back to you in a bit. 1 hour. Okay, I like this candle. Hour candle. 30-minute. 15. Okay. I like this line here. Is a 15-minute buy support. So 1 hour level and 15-minute buy support. 5 minute. kind of came all the way around it. We got this level here for 5 minutes, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then 1 minute. So just like NQ, just like ES, we also have those two levels there, right? So we got this is 1 minute. There. Kind of in and out of that. So the 5 minute real quickly. Here's the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Alright, so we're gonna go to the tick chart. Alright, for this one, I think so far all I have is 75 tick chart. Alright, so let's see what we can get with the 75 tick chart. Alright, so I do like this right here. So catch it like that. This. Then we're gonna drag out that one over. Alright, so that's also gonna be edit 75 tick. Make some space. Easy to read. Okay, the other tick charts I added were I tried to do 100. I tried to do 50, and I tried to do 25. I think 75 works well with this one. I should have tried 40 and 30. Let's try 40 and 30. Could be even 45. 30 might actually be a good one. Maybe. Let's try 45. No. Actually, kind of like goes right into that area there. Okay. Alright, so we got this here. Alright, so 1 hour candle. Alright, so that's basically it for that. Okay, let's go into VIX. Okay, so we got the daily, the let's do some deleting of these here. One hour. Alright, so this one also has that long 1 hour candle. 30-minute. Okay. $15-minute. Okay. 5-minute. Okay, so back to these here. So Okay, we'll just keep an eye on them and put all the levels the same when it comes to it. Let's go to the range chart. Let's see what the range chart looks like for this. I think the 5 is the best I can do. And then after that, it's basically just all the small ticks, which is like a lot. So I'm not gonna stress myself out with that one. Not today, at least. All right, we're gonna put them side by side. All right. That's something that popped up. All right, looks like I'm kind of already on it. No, that's something that popped up. May need to look in here. All right, so let's go 1 hour. Zoom out. Oh, you have this same damn long ass candle. Why didn't I see that? Candle. Why didn't I see that? 30-minute. 15. 15. This one has this here from that. This is and Q's 15-minute buy support. Alright, okay, we got the we have that level somewhere around here. Okay, there we got the 5-minute. Looks like everybody is kung fu fighting up here. Alright, and then we got the 1 minute. Okay, well, we got that same thing going on here. So let's go to the tick charts and see what's going on with this one candle here. Actually, let's go to the 1 hour, and we're gonna go to Heikin Ashi. That thing just turned yellow on me when it did that. Okay, now 30-minute. Now we're going to look like we have major absorption on the 30-minute and the 15. We're going to look at the tick chart. I closed out the one chart I needed. Alright, so we're gonna just use you. Let's go into the tick chart. 20. Got a sell right here. tick. It's 1 hour candle. Got that there. Let's go to 15. Okay, well, we're really liking this one here. Apparently, 15 also. And up here we got the the 15, and that one matches well with the Heikin-Achi level. This one right here. Almost done. Let's go to the 10. Okay. And then we got the 10 also. So I'm probably looking at this level right here. Alright, so I'm probably looking at this line right there as far as an entry criteria. Okay. And then let's go to NQ, and we'll put it to the 75. And I don't see anything. Oh, we did do NQ. We had it way up here. Alright, so that's it. So back to the side by side, and we'll see that we have our levels in a sense met. This is I want to look at that level again. That's 75. Let's go a little higher. Let's go 100 for this one this time. Okay, let's go down. Let's do 50. Okay, this is probably the closest I can get. Here. And then we'll drag it up to here. And we'll see how price reacts around that area there. So this would be a 50 tick chart. Okay. And that's essentially it. Alright. Alright, so let's add same things, we always add initial balance. Settlement price. And then we'll call it down. Huge drop. Alright. And that's essentially it. Are there any news? Powell speaks on Sunday, only 10 a.m. So no major news today. Alright, so that's it. I'll be back later. Adios. Yeah, I'll be working on my practice account, which I'm gonna reset again also. I wanna reset this. And then that's it. Alright, catch you later.